What up, guys? We're back again. This is gonna be part 4 of part 5 of the whole like training series and whatnot. And today we're gonna be putting in both axles and intermediate shaft. Then after that, we're just probably gonna go for a test drive after we have it all in and whatnot, if we can pull it out, and hope for the best, because it sounds like it's the intermediate shaft because I never replaced that after I'm at 163K, and I went through plenty of axles. I've done so many axle jobs and stuff, so we'll see how that goes. Back to OEM axles. I'm sure the car will feel a lot better, but you know, we just have to put it together. Nonetheless, hope you guys enjoy the series. This was like unknown that we're gonna make this kind of series, this many part 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever the it's gonna be. Hope you guys enjoy it because there's a lot of content and you guys see all the car work we're doing and cause and effects and what maybe is gonna be my solution. So stay tuned, keep on watching, more videos to come as always. We're posting almost at 900 subs. Keep the love up and support. Appreciate you guys. Peace. Stay tuned. So I am doing my driver's side axle first. It's just the axle, not the intermediate shaft. I mean, it's pretty simple enough. You just unbolt from ball joint, control arm, fork, obviously your axle. You can take this off, or maybe you could leave it on. But yeah, then it's just really just prying out the axle and pulling it out and putting it back together. It's pretty simple. I got plenty of videos of, you know, doing axles and stuff, so I'll just put the link in the description. I've done it so many times, so I don't want to bore you guys with too much of it, so I just want to get this done. Primary video of this is just showing the solutions and what I'm doing and what's gonna come from it. So yeah, stay tuned. We're just gonna keep working. Keep on. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, man. All the comments and the likes, it really helps the algorithm. Just showing up on people's, you know, searches. It really helps me a lot to just get out there and keep on growing. Thanks guys, thanks for the support as always, appreciate it. I got the driver's side axle out. I want to get it like double checked with the clamps because I don't think it's tight enough and stuff. I went onto the passenger side. I took out the ball joint, fork arm, bolt. I was lifting it up to move it aside. I still didn't even take out the axle bolt. The fucking thing popped out the intermediate shaft. So I don't know if that was just because the force. Probably was, honestly, because it's still connected to the axle bolt. Maybe it helped me out just to get it out. I have no fucking idea, but so it just popped out right there. So I'm gonna just take out the axle nut, move that, then go underneath and do the 3 bolts from the intermediate shaft, pull that out, and put things back together. As you see, we popped out the axle. Axle's out. Crack that. It didn't feel like it was seated on there. All 3 bolts are cracked. Easier and more flexible to fit in these for this thing, so you probably want to use that. Alright guys, back with another update. Governor. We got the intermediate shaft out. Woo! So we got everything out. Now it's just about putting everything back in, which isn't too hard, so my fucking legs are killing me. I'm crouching too much. I'm 21 years old. I got like 60-year-old man knees, and I crouch down for like 20 seconds. Oh god, going back up is like you're lagging like Call of Duty, man. It's going good, except for like the first part where I was struggling for like 30 minutes to pry it out. And I took a little break, came back, spun, pried, spun, pried, and fucking popped out. I was doing that for 30 minutes, so I don't know what I did differently. So that's how car work goes for me. At least we got everything out. Alright guys, so an update. The auto intermediate shaft, I belt. We can't use that. I was trying and shit and would not fit. Like the bracket is just sits way too high close to the manual one. So I actually had to go to Newington. A little 20-25 minute ride real quick. Junkyard, I picked up a 6-speed intermediate shaft because mine is donezo. Putting this in and just hoping for the best. Alright guys, so we just got done with everything. I just pulled my car out. About to go home right now because I need a shower. I'm dirty as hell. I'm gonna give you guys a little update on the little drive on my way to the house, and hopefully the car is feeling good, man. I really hope so. Got some more things I gotta fix, but that's to be done later. OEM axles, different intermediate shaft, and now let's see.